And welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. Let's head to Paris, where less than a week before the start of the National Senior Championships, reigning World 100-meter champion Shelly and Fraser-Pryce equaled her world-leading 10.67 seconds at that Diamond League meet today. We continue our countdown to the National Championships with a look at Fraser-Pryce's performance in Paris today.
The women's 100-meter final at the National Senior Championships next Friday is expected to be the highlight of the four-day meet once all competitors turn up healthy. Local track and field fans may not get to see the world's fastest woman so far this year in that final, however, as reigning world champion Shelly and Fraser-Pryce doesn't have to contest the event, having already earned a bye to the World Championships in Eugene, Oregon. But the 35-year-old gave fans a glimpse of what they can expect if she does in fact line up with a blistering 10.67 seconds in the 100 meters at the Paris Diamond League meet on Saturday, equaling her own world lead set in May.
Cleanly away. Brilliant start there from Shelly and Fraser-Pryce. Now we're right and into her running. Also going well is Nita in second. Talu being pushed out for third. Let's keep an eye on the clock. Oh my word! 10.66. Shelly Ann is back in Paris.
Fraser-Pryce blew away the field with Great Britain's Daryl Nita's 10.99 season's best, putting her a distant second, with Marie-Josée Talu of the Ivory Coast third, running her fastest time of the season, 11.01. There was a slight following wind of 0.5 meters per second. With the National Championships only 5 days away, Fraser-Pryce was the only Jamaican competing in the French capital on Saturday, but with her ticket to the World Championships already booked, the 35-year-old must now be the favourite to retain her title. Fraser-Pryce has said that she will contest the National Championships as she eyes a spot in the 200 metres in Eugene next month. With just around that 11 seconds mark, the women's 100 metres could be the most thrilling event at Jamaica's national trials. Live and exclusive coverage of the national trials will be on TVJ, TVJ Sports Network and One Spot Media, with radio coverage on Hits 92 FM. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.